friends, welcome back to Gyan Exploration. In this lecture, we will do question number 4 from exercise 2.5 of NCERT Mathematics class 9. So here our question number 4 is expand each of the following using suitable identities. That means we have to use proper identity for calculating the expanded form of the question. So here our first question is x plus 2y plus 4z. For this question, we will use proper identity. So we have suitable identity is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the proper identity for this question. Now we have to calculate the expanded form of this question by using this identity. So x is equals to x and y is equals to 2y. Here you can see x is equals to x and y is equals to 2y. And z is equals to 4z. Now simply we can put the values in the expanded form. So here x square. So x square will come plus y square. In place of y we will put 2y. So 2y whole square will come. Z square. That means 4z. 4z whole square plus 2xy. That means 2 into xy, x into 2y, 2 into x into 2y plus 2yz, 2 into y, the value of y is 2y plus z, sorry multiply z, that means 4z plus 2zx, 2 into z, that means 4z into x. Now we will solve this expanded form. So here we will find x square plus 2y whole square, that means 4y square will come, 4z square, that means 16z square will come plus 2 into x into 2y, that means 2 into 2, 4 into xy. So that means 4xy plus 2 into 2, 4 into 4, that means 16yz. 16yz plus 2 into 4, 8zx. So this is the final expanded form of this question. Now we will move on second part. So here our second part is 2x minus y plus z whole square. In this part we will use same identity. So here our identity is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is the identity for calculating the expanded form of this part. Now we will find the value of x, y and z. So here the value of x is equals to 2x and y is equals to minus y and z is equals to z. Now simple, we will put the value of x, y and z in the expanded form. Like previous question, like previous part. So here x is equals to 2x. So this is the whole square of 2x plus y is equals to minus y. So here we will write minus y whole square plus z is equals to z, same. So here z square will come plus 2 into, in place of x 2x will come, in place of y, minus y will come. Plus 2yz. 2 into y, that means minus y, z means z. Plus 2zx into z into x, that means 2x. Now we will solve this expanded form. So here 2x, that means 4x square, plus minus y, that means y square, plus z square, plus 2 into 2, that means 4x, minus y, that means minus 4xy. So here the sign will be changed, minus 4xy, because this is minus y, plus 2 into minus yz, that means here sign will also change, minus 2yz, because here minus y, plus 2 into z into 2x, that means 2 into 2, 4 zx. So this is the expanded form of this second part. Now we will move on the third part. Now we have third part, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. From the same procedure we will solve this expanded form. So here for this question we have same identity, x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we will find the value of x, y and z. So here x is equals to minus 2x, y is equals to y is equals to 3y, z is equals to 2z. Now we will put the values of x, y and z in this expanded form. So you can find the expanded form of this part. So here x square, that means minus 2x whole square plus y square, that means 3y whole square plus z square, that means 2z whole square plus 2xy, that means 2 into x, minus 2x will come, multiply y, that means 3y plus 2yz, 2 multiply y, that means 3y will come, multiply z, 2z plus 2z, that means 2z into x, 2x. Now we will solve this expanded form. So here minus 2x, that means 4x square, 4x square, 3y, that means 9y whole square plus 2z, that means 4z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y, that means minus 4x into 3y, minus 4 multiply 3, that means minus 12xy. So here minus 12xy will come, plus here you can see 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12yz. So 12yz plus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. So here 8zx will come. So this is the expanded form of this third part. Still 3 parts are left of this question, and you can easily solve it by following the same method of the previous questions. And if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment box. Friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.